to use Apache, MySQL, and PHP on my Windows environment. You can get the installer from this webpage according to your operating system. I already got the one for Windows, which is the one I'm using. I'm going to continue with the installation. That's okay. I'm going to use a different path. I'm not going to be using C programs files. And I'm going to select only Apache, MySQL, PHP, and PHP-MyAdmin. That's okay. That's the path that I want. Once it's done, I'm going to leave the checkbox selected because I want to run the control panel now. I'm going to select English. And here, I'm just going to click Start Apache. As you can see, it's running on port 80 for HTTP and 443 for HTTPS. So I'm going to try localhost, and it's working just fine. Now, let's create a small web application. You just need to go to htdocs, create a new folder. I'm going to call this one test, and I'm going to create my index file. And I'm going to print some information. Okay, there you go. It's working just fine. Now, if for whatever reason you're not able to use port 80, you can change the listening port. You just need to go and modify httpd.conf, search for 80, and for this example I'm going to specify 8080 as my port. Save it, start again, and you will notice that HTTP is now listening to port 8080. Let's give it a try. It is working just fine. That's it for this video. Thank you.